everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making a charcuterie. Yes, it's quite difficult to pronounce, but in other words, this is just a cheese platter that is normally prepared during the holidays. So for me, I call it a cheese board if you put it on a board, or you can put it on a platter. For me, I want to put it on a platter because there are edges. Somehow it will stop or it will protect the items or the ingredients to fall. So for today, before I will start, I'm going to show you how this simple thing be done. So first, since it is a cheese platter, I have different kinds of cheese. So yesterday I went to buy different kinds of cheeses. So the first one is Boursin or Boursin, that's how they pronounce it. And then I have this one, Oka. Actually, it's another kind of cheese. And we have this one, a Swiss cheese, just like queso de bola. Then my favorite here is the blue cheese. So for you, it's all up to you whatever cheese you want to use. It's still the same. For me, I just prefer these things. So I just got a few, not too much because not so many and there's no visitor this time. So it's only the three of us. And if the other kids will come over, so we're going to have this platter. So let's start. So just to make it safe, I'm going to use gloves. And it's better if you have all the ingredients with you here so that you will not be going back and forth in the kitchen. So first, I'm going to start with the cheese. So it's better when you cut it already. Okay, let's remove first the outer skin. This is like queso de bola. But if it is quite difficult for you to do it, all you have to do is to start cutting it this way. Cheeses are very sticky, so sometimes it's really difficult to cut. But it's better when you cut it so that your visitors or the people can access it easily, and they are not so shy to cut it themselves. So here, it's already good. So it's all up to you if you want to remove the outer layer or the visitors or someone who will eat it will not remove it anymore. It's easier and it's not messy. So maybe I want to cut some more. It's easier to remove the peelings when it's cut. Okay. So when it's cut, you just look for a designated area that you can place it. So first, I want to place it here. It's okay that you're not going to remove the others. It would add color later on. So the next one is this one. Again, you need to peel it so that it's easier for the people to access. There you go. You can place it there. We have this one. again, this one, you need to cut it. And place it again there. And let's see this one. This is quite difficult too, or there is really technique how to open it. But you know, sometimes I'm so impatient in opening, so I just make use of some tools that is easier for me to access or remove. So this one is a blue cheese. You can also cut it the way you like it, so maybe you'll start, or the others can just access it through a spoon. Okay, so if you designated already, this is how it looks already, if you can see. Now you can start already putting some of the ingredients. Since charcuterie is really a cured meat, and then it was just modified throughout the years, and the others, they mixed it already with some, aside from meat, they add cheese, fruits, some other things. So it's all up to you. How do you want to design it? You can show your artistic inclinations on designing your charcuterie. So for me, I design it like this, half, and then you have it, and then you can just put it there. It looks like a petal, because this one is quite flat, so it's all up to you to design it. So you can put it around. So by the way, I'm using chicken and turkey because I'm not eating pork. So you can put also the others here. Simple. Others there and there. Sometimes if it is a lot, it is crowded, so it's nice also that you need to play some rooms. Okay, so just to add some more decorations and add some more taste, I am using olives, the green olives, and I put it on a container like this so that it will not spill, and since this is wet, so that it will not contaminate the cheese. So you can place it here. And then I have also pickles, so you can place it there if you can see. And then from that you can add some more colors. So here I have some oranges. I use also fruits. I peeled it already. There we go. I have some grapes. So maybe I would just put the grapes here. Just put a little bit. Grapes. you can just find a very good, or you can just do a very good symmetry. You can also put it here if you want to. And then I have other meat. You can make use of, this one is beef, just to have a variety. So this, since it's elongated, you can roll it. Make it stand there. Roll. Or maybe you can add it there. This is easy to do. You don't need to cook, especially during the holidays. There are so many things that you need to cook. This one is just so simple, no cooking. You just have a little bit of wine later on, and it's good to have it while you are watching movies. Okay, maybe one more. Okay. So let's start putting already, because it's quite crowded. So let's start putting already crackers. So I have 3 different kinds of crackers here. So I'm using the rich one. I have small crackers, and I have also the round crackers, and a few of this one. So again, it's all up to you, whatever cracker, whatever, you can use also some chips if you want to. So okay, let's start putting the crackers. So if your visitors, they want some more crackers, you can place the crackers on a different container. Here, you put it near the cheese so that it is easier for them to get. So I guess that is enough. Here, and there, if there's a space, you can place it near the cheese. And then after that, if you want to put some more colors, you can put some chips like Doritos. You can put some chips like, you can put some Doritos. Some chips, and if they want to get some more later on, you can just put it. Doritos, some chips, and if they want to get some more later on, you can just put it. again. Okay, so it is almost done. So now I want to put some more colors in it and some more variety. So you can put um, blueberries. You can put it on top of or beside the other fruits. Yeah. Maybe a variety of chips, of cracker, which is, this one is, I think it's a good one. Because sometimes kids, they want a variety of crackers. There you go, you just fit in there. And that's it. It's done. You see, I told you, it's just so simple. It's just so simple to make it. You can design it the way you like it, and it's easy. So I hope you like this video today, and I hope the others are inspired, though I know a lot of people are doing this one already, and they make really an amazing job. So thank you for watching. Till next time. Happy